Hi students, today we are going to see that is the paper first. We are going to start the first chapter in the paper first. We have studied the matrices second chapter, third chapter, that is the pair of straight line, and if you miss those two chapters then you can see our videos on the YouTube Pragati Academy Vishrambhag Sangte. Okay, then today we are going to study that is the mathematics first chapter, mathematical logic, from the paper first. What is the logic? Logic means that logic word comes from the Greek word logos. What is it? Logos. 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 Means reasoning. Means we have to here in mathematics we are going to make a reason. In mathematics we are going to make the reason, and that is the. But here some small part of the English grammar is also arises here. You have to small knowledge of English grammar, that is the direct and indirect speech. In that there are the 5 types of the sentences. What is how many? 5 types of the sentence. That is the assertive sentence. Second is the interrogative sentence. Okay. Third is the imperative sentence. Fourth is the requested sentence, and fifth is the that is exclamatory sentence. But here we are going to find the statements in mathematics, which are the statements and which are not statements. We have to study that is we have to study that is the which are the statements and which are the not statements, Then first look here, that is the statement. The statement means a declarative sentence is called a statement. What is declarative sentence? Means the sentence is an assertive sentence. The sentence is the assertive sentence is the declarative sentence. The sentence which is assertive sentence is called a declarative sentence. Understand? Then how to find that assertive sentence? That is the idea of the finding the assertive sentence I have given here. The sentence which is not interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means at the end of the sentence there is a question mark. Imperative sentence means the sentence which starts from the main verb, like stood, come, go, take, speak, stand, likewise. This is imperative sentence. Requested sentence means start with a please. Please give me a pen. Please come here. Please go there. Likewise. And exclamatory sentence means how beautiful that building is. How beautiful the rose is. And in this end, that is the exclamatory mark. Means those are the sentences who are not. If there is a sentence, if there is an interrogative sentence, it is not statement. If imperative sentence, it is not statement. If requested sentence, it is not statement. If exclamatory sentence, it is not statement. Only assertive sentence means those 4 types of the sentence are not assertive sentence. They are not statements. Those, understand? Look here. That is the basic point. That is, the sentence which are not interrogative, imperative, requested, exclamatory are not assertive sentences. Means those sentence, that is only we have to look here, we have to see question mark, we have to see main verb, we have to see that is please, and we have to see exclamatory. And without those, the sentence is assertive sentence. And if any sentence is a statement, means sentence, if a sentence assertive sentence or declarative sentence, it is a statement. If it is a sentence, if that sentence is a statement, then only it has a truth value, that's true or false. Just like we have to question in the that Marathi, Hindi or English, write the statements true or false, like true or false. If if sentence this type, it is not statement, so it has no truth values. And that if it is a true, then write T. Then it is, if it is a false, then it is write F. It is denoted by letters, small letter P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, likewise, small letters. And that is the type of the sentence. Understand? Which is the sentence? Which is the statement? How to recognize the statement? If the sentence is not interrogative, imperative, requested, exclamatory, then it is assertive, so it is statement. These 4 types, not statement. Only this one type, statement. Understand? Then I will give some examples to understand that how to recognize the statement. Look here. That is, sun rises in the east. First example. The sun rises in the east. In the east. Sun rises in the east. Okay. And you know, here is not exclamatory mark. Here is not question mark. Here is not please. Likewise, look here. And here is not main verb. So it is assertive sentence. So it is statement. Very simple thing. It is a statement. It is a statement. It is true or false? It is statement. Because why? Because it is assertive sentence. It's a truth value. It's a truth value. This sentence is true or false? True. Sun rises in the east. It is true. So its truth value is T. Okay. It is a statement. Why? Because it is assertive sentence. Its truth value is T. It is the answer. It is for 1 mark. It is for 1 mark. Look here. Next is the first. Second. Every triangle has has 3 sides. Look here. It is right. Here is not question mark, exclamatory mark. Here is not please, main verb. So it is statement. It is, answer is, it is statement because it is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Therefore, its truth value. Its truth value is T. It is correct. But third, 5 into 2 equal to 11. Equal to 11. It is statement. It is statement. You have to write. It is statement. It is a statement. It is declarative. It is declarer. 5 into 10, 11. Declarer. It is assertive means not a sentence or declare. It is declarative. Therefore, but it is not true. 5 into 2, 10. It is not true. Therefore, its truth value is F. Is F, not T. F. Suppose I will give next example. Take next example. What is it? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. You know, it is true. So it is statement. Is truth it because it is assertive sentence. Is truthful is a T. Look at this. Every equilateral triangle is an equiangular triangle. Equilateral triangle is an equiangular. Equilateral means three sides are congruent. And equiangular means three angles are congruent. Means that is the every equilateral triangle is equiangular. It is true or false? It is true. It is true. Every equilateral triangle is a equiangular triangle. It is true. Suppose, please give me your pen. Next question. That is, please give me your pen. Your pen. It is the next. Here you have to understand that here is please. It is the requested sentence. So no, it is not statement. It is, answer is like, it is not statement because it is a please requested sentence. Requested sentence. So it has no truth value. Never to write. Next, suppose what beautiful flower is exclamatory mark. It is not a statement. It is not a statement because it is an exclamatory sentence. Stand in front of like this. Stand in front of judge. It is a sentence. It is a sentence, but it is the stand is the main verb. So it is imperative sentence. Means you have to understand that first point. That the first 5 parts of the sentences, types of the sentence you have to understand, and then you have to very simple to solve the answers. That is the it is not a statement because it is an imperative sentence. Now, understand? That is it is exclamatory, so not a statement. It is imperative, not a statement. It is requested, it is requested, so it is not a statement. Next one. When you are going to study. When you are going to study. Question. When you are going to study. तो क्या हुआ study करना है. When you are going to study. It is not a statement because ये question mark. It is interrogative sentence. Answer is it is not statement because it is interrogative sentence. Understand? If it is if it is, that is requested, exclamatory, imperative and interrogative, then it is not a statement. You have to understand that. And if it is the, you have to understand that you have studied that how to find that is the, it is statement or not. I will give some examples to you for sure. That is homework. First, that is, please give me a cup of tea. Give me a cup of tea. Start your business. Start your business. Third, square is 4 equal sides. Square has 4 equal sides. We are Earth revolves around the sun. That is, how are you? How terrible the building is. That is, let us go for outing it. That is, Marathi is a simple subject. He is honest person and we are clever boys. Look here, these 3 statements. Here, please, it is not statement. You have to write answer. Start is the main verb. It is not statement. You have to write answer. Square has 4 equal sides. It is not statement, so it has no truth values. Okay, it is statement, but it has truth value. You have to find out. Earth revolves around the sun. Statement. You have to find out the truth value. How are you? Question mark. Not a statement. No truth value. How terrible the building is. No statement. Let us go. It is not a statement. Let us go. It is in the type of the imperative sentence. It is the type of imperative sentence. Let us start. Marathi is simple subject. He is an honest person and we are clever boys. Those 3 subjects, those 3 sentences are changes person to person. So it is not a statement. It is open sentence. What is Marathi is simple subject. Everyone not feel the subject or that Marathi. Someone feel that is the difficult subject. Someone suppose that other feel that simple subject. He is honest. It is also he is honest. It is also changes person by person. Who he is. It is person, that person to person changes the honesty. And that we are the clear voice. We are clear voice. We are clear voice. What is clever voice? Who are clever voice? It is also changes person to person. So these are open sentence. Open. These are the open. Open means it has to change person to person. It has to change person to person. This is open sentence. So it has also no true or false. How to tell that true or false? No, you didn't tell any about the truth value. So that is open sentence. Okay, you have to that after solving those examples, you have to study or find the answers in the textbook on page number 2. You have 11 questions for the study. What is that? 11 questions for the study. That is page number 2, 3. What is that? Page number 2, 3. You have to study and write down or copy on your text on your notebook, and then I will start tomorrow. That's the next point. That is the next point, and up to then you have to understand. If you understand that the video, like it, subscribe it, send to your friends, and take care. Be safe. Thank you.